Rogelio Roger Nowers, an American businessman, has filed a $10 million defamation lawsuit against Jeff Payne, father of the late Liam Payne, claiming that he has suffered irreparable damage due to false and defamatory statements. Nowers, who was one of the last individuals to see the former One Direction singer alive before his tragic death in Buenos Aires on October 16 of last year, argues that he has been unjustly portrayed as the scapegoat for the singer's passing. Nowers had been previously charged with manslaughter, with Argentine authorities accusing him of neglecting his duty to assist Liam, despite knowing that the singer suffered from multiple addictions. According to Judge Laura Brinyard, Nowers allegedly failed to provide necessary care and assistance to Liam while they were staying at the Casa Sur Palmero Hotel, where the fatal incident occurred. Alongside Nowers, 4 hotel staff members, including the manager, a worker, a receptionist, and a waiter, have also been charged in relation to Liam's death. In response to these allegations, Nowers has taken legal action in Palm Beach, Florida, against Jeff Payne, claiming that the statements made by Liam's father to the Argentine authorities were misleading and defamatory. The businessman asserts that Jeff's remarks have directly led to his legal troubles and have severely damaged his personal and professional reputation. In the lawsuit, Nowers has vowed that any net financial proceeds awarded from the case will be donated to Liam's young son, Bear. Nowers claims that Jeff Payne provided sworn statements to Buenos Aires police that falsely incriminated him. Among the allegedly defamatory claims, Jeff reportedly told investigators that Nowers and Liam's girlfriend, Kate Cassidy, were responsible for the singer's care, serving as his nurses. However, Nowers vehemently denies this assertion, insisting that while Liam was a close friend, he never agreed to act as his caretaker and bore no legal obligation to look after him. Another controversial statement attributed to Jeff Payne was that Nowers had taken Liam to a new psychiatrist in Florida after his former doctor, Dr. Rady, resigned. According to the accusations, Nowers purportedly deceived the new psychiatrist about Liam's struggles with substance abuse, leading to a prescription of psychiatric medication that disregarded Dr. Rady's previous recommendations. However, Nowers disputes this entirely, stating that he and Liam never visited another psychiatrist together and that the claim is entirely fabricated, as no such doctor existed. Additionally, Jeff Payne allegedly informed investigators that his son could not be left alone, did not possess his own phone, and could only be contacted through either Nowers or Cassidy. However, Nowers refutes this claim as well, stating that Liam was frequently on his own while residing in Florida and always had his own phone, except for a brief period when it was broken during a dispute with Cassidy. As part of his legal response, Nowers' attorneys have formally demanded that Jeff Payne retract and correct his statements made to the Argentine authorities. They argue that the father's false testimony directly resulted in Nowers' arrest and the manslaughter charges brought against him. The lawsuit states, defendant Jeff's false relevant contents of the 2 sworn declarations were and are the proximate cause of the plaintiff's injury and damages, including damage to plaintiff's reputation. It further asserts that Jeff should have known the consequences of making these statements and that the harm to Nowers' reputation extends beyond Palm Beach County, Florida, to a global scale. Nowers maintains that he has been wrongfully implicated in Liam's tragic passing, facing serious legal repercussions due to false information. The businessman's legal team argues that by misleading authorities with inaccurate statements, Jeff Payne has caused lasting damage to Nowers' standing, both personally and professionally. The defamation lawsuit seeks to hold Liam's father accountable for these statements, aiming to restore Nowers' reputation and ensure justice is served. This case has drawn significant media attention, given the high-profile nature of Liam Payne's career and the tragic circumstances surrounding his untimely death. As legal proceedings unfold, the lawsuit against Jeff Payne is expected to bring further scrutiny to the events leading up to Liam's passing and the individuals involved in his final days. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates on celebrity deaths and news updates.